to draw and color diamond, which starts from the letter D. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So we are going to take one scale and we'll draw V like this. Now outside of it we will draw more two lines. And we'll make them a little smaller. Now we'll join these small lines. Like this, and then we'll join it like this and this, and we'll make a line in between, and we'll make a triangle. And now we are going to outline this. For coloring, we can take light blue color like this and we'll color it. And a diamond is ready. A diamond is used in jewelries, ornaments or crowns. Thank you.